Hey guys, it's me, Fariha, and my brother,
Osman.
and today we'll be making a red velvet cake. So the ingredients we have today are oil, 3 eggs, red velvet mix, some water, and some sprinkles for decoration. And we have icing too. We'll make that in a while later. So we have a bowl and a mixing tool. So yeah, first things first, we will crack the eggs. So I will put this here. Okay, so I've got 1 egg and I'm gonna just crack it. Okay, I'll just crack all the eggs. And the last one?
Last egg. So add the 3 eggs.
Okay, next the oil. So this is all the oil I'll add. Okay, so now the water. Oh wait, actually maybe I should wait. Before I add the water, maybe I should mix this up. And then
You don't have to.
Yeah, I'll just do it. Okay. Okay. I think this is enough. Okay, now next the water. Oh wait, actually, oh no, what am I doing? Okay, so actually, the mix first. Just open it.
She's struggling to open.
You know what?
Oh, she's getting a knife now. Look at her open. That's what she does when she's struggling. Now back to the cooking. Where she cuts it open.
Baking, I mean.
Baking.
Okay, so now I'll add
All of it.
I hope this bowl is big enough. If it's not good enough,
That's a bummer.
I was gonna say that, but I was too together.
She forgot how to say. I mean, she forgot what to say. Probably. And she's struggling. Ripping it. Struggling now, put it in. You made a mountain now.
Please go down.
Yeah, she flattened it.
Okay.
And the mountain came back.
Okay. Now.
Okay. Yeah, I think it'll just be enough for water, but you gotta be
Okay,
careful on mixing it.
Okay. Try not moving the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Now I've
water.
got the water, so I will.
Pour it all in.
Okay. I hope this doesn't overflow. Okay. I'll add the rest after we fill the bottle.
Let's go check and see.
Okay. This bowl was way. Oopsies.
Okay, it's actually overflowing.
Was way too small.
Not way too small, like this. Okay.
This is bad. Okay,
What you gotta do this carefully.
don't worry, I'll manage somehow.
Because I don't think we can exchange it in a big bowl right
Okay,
now.
we'll come back when this is all mixed. Okay, so I've mixed the cake. Now it is smooth and fluffy. So now I will put it in the tin. So first, I'm just,
Yeah, make sure you oil it.
Yeah, I'm just greasing the tin right now.
Grease, I mean. I don't know what I said.
Okay, so I think this is
Yeah, you didn't have to say it 2 times.
I think this is greased enough. So Now
Now
I will
we'll
add
the batter.
I'll add half of it in the
I think
the tray because I'm gonna like make 2 layers. This is gonna be a 2-layer cake, so I'm gonna add half of the batter into the tray, and then but we only have one tray, like one circular tray, so we'll have to do this 2 times. To put in the oven 2 times. So yeah. Okay, so but first I'm just gonna preheat the oven because I forgot to. So
Make sure you do that.
I just remembered right now, so I'm gonna preheat it.
Preheat it like a Mexican.
You're so weird. Let's be quiet.
I always get karma.
What?
No, no.
Okay,
Now add it all in. Now
Okay,
add
now-
in half.
okay, now just put the camera on it. Okay, yeah, leave.
So look at it all going. I think we can only make 1 layer.
No, we're gonna make 2.
Sadly.
Oh no.
Um,
Wait.
she's having some struggles again. She always has struggles from baking.
Why am I using this?
Little weirdo.
That doesn't matter. Why are you laughing?
Don't know.
Wait, I just need to try this.
Try raw eggs.
I know you're not. No, you're not meant to. I'm not meant to try raw egg, but is this too good? It tastes so good still.
Is it?
Hey, stop it.
Yum. So good. With eggs. For that
Okay.
means you like raw eggs.
No, it just tastes good. So I think this is enough. Oh no.
It's obviously not enough.
Maybe. Yeah, actually, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now bring the camera over here. So actually, wait.
Okay, she doesn't think before she says it.
I need to open the thing first. Oh wait, why not? Just wait. Okay, come on now. Let's go and put this batter in the oven. It's gone in. So bye bye.
Bye batter. Okay.
I'll see you in a couple of minutes, like about 15 minutes.
It's very light.
Yeah. So now next we
It's
are
the
gonna
icing.
be making the not the icing, the cream. Wait, where's cream? So we're gonna be using move back a little fresh cream. So yeah. I'll leave it here. Where's the tiny so here's a chair.
I'm not that tiny.
Okay, move it. Okay. Okay, so let's wait, actually no. Oh no, yeah. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but
It's our own tactic. It's a good professional tactic. This is the best tactic. So add some cream like everybody does. You do the best. And now mix. It's so loud. You can't hear anything. Only me because I'm shouting. Shout.
okay. So we're gonna mix the cream and we'll be back when it's mixed. Okay, so the cream is ready. As you can see, it's fluffy.
Yeah.
And it tastes good. So, yeah.
This is how the cream should look like.
And for the cake, it's still in the oven. It has rised up a bit. So yeah, we'll see you when this cake, the cake, both of the cakes are ready. So yeah, bye for now. Bye for now. Okay, both the cakes are ready. Now we will decorate it. Okay.
Okay, so she's decorating right now. Putting the icing in.
not icing. It's cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
First one's almost done.
Looks so good.
This is gonna be the first layer. Okay. So you add it on to the first one.
Wait.
So it's at 11. Over there.
Okay, now.
The next
Um.
one. Oh yeah, you have to put that on. Actually, how are you gonna do this? Yeah. So. Make sure you don't break it.
This is. Oops. That doesn't matter.
This is how the cake looks like.
So
like
far?
Yeah, it's like an Oreo.
Mhm. Okay, now.
Yes, now she's put the rest of the icing onto the top. Then we're going to add some decorations. Or
Some.
not some, like, no. And it's probably just going to be one thing, but if you have more things, we'll put that on too. Don't think we do.
Okay.
I hope the icing doesn't melt from the middle.
Alright. Let it cool down.
Oh, you let it cool. Okay. So she's just finishing off the icing from the top. And you can see some cake that fell off.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. No one can see it.
Hey.
You don't have to show a spoon. Okay, so are you done? Are you done putting the icing? Alright, there's gonna be a lot in this. The top.
Thank you so much. This is a messy job.
It's a messy cake. It's not really a job.
Can you show it, please? Okay, guys, the cake is ready. Is that it went? It's a little crumbly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the
Make sure you
next
subscribe.
one. Bye.
Bye.